Hey everyone, I'm going to give you a quick demo of how to use the new feature that we just added to the VIN Decoder, the filter. I'm going to show you how to use it on the app. It's a little different on the app compared to the web, so we're making a video for both. If you if you use the web, you'll see a video there, and we're going to use this one for the app. So I'm going to use the same VIN. This is a 2019 Toyota Camry that we're using to test with. Shows it right there. And if you look at the matching parts records, it shows there's two options. And we have a lot of data on this one. So it's going to show you that you can use the filter. So I'm going to click on the filter, my results here. And it's basically going to ask you the difference between the two, or if there's 3 or 4 options, it'll ask you the difference to try to figure out which part it has. And these are questions that you can ask your customer while you have them on the phone. So for example, this one is asking if it has heads-up display. These questions will also be the same for every manufacturer, so it'll be the same question for each feature. But for the sake of this one, I'm just going to say no, it does not have heads-up display. So the filter result, based on the features you selected, this part should be the one you need. So I'm going to hit OK. And it removed the part that had heads-up display. So just say you did that on accident. I'm going to use the filter again. And same question, heads-up display. This time I'm going to say yes, and it says that you selected the feature for heads-up display. You hit OK, and then it shows you the part that has heads-up display. Say you're not 100% sure on that. You just want to, or your customer is not sure. So there's a third option. You can hit not sure, and it'll tell you have narrowed down your options as much as we can based on what you selected. So you hit OK. It's going to show you there's still 2 options because you weren't sure. And then it'll give you the option to hit the tell me the exact part number button, which then sends it into support. And they'll double check it. That sends the VIN into support, and they'll double check it for you. The fourth thing you can do is if you actually click on the part, you'll see that the parts have a photo and a video. Most of them have videos, not all of them. We're adding new videos and new photos daily. But the most popular parts typically have a video and a photo. So I'm going to click on the photo, and it'll show you there. It has an arrow pointing at the feature. So click on that. I'll click on the other part to show you. So this one has a video and a photo as well. Click on the photo, and it has the photo showing the features there. So that is how you use the filter. It's pretty much the same on the web. So if you have any questions, feel free to let us know. Thank you.